So here we are changing the trunk light of the Fiat 500. What you want to do is get a flathead, pry it in, put it into this little hole right here, little crevice, and just kind of wiggle it slightly, and it should loosen up nicely. Now all you gotta do is just carefully. Okay, maybe I need to use a little more. There you go. You gotta push it all the way in there, and just it'll come right off just like that. Now that it's out, you want to go ahead and plug it as quickly as you can, right there, so that the bulb can cool down and you can take it out. So here you see I have my thumb right here. I poked the connector a little bit so I can just pull this out, and now that the bulb is off, it is kind of hot. I already feel it in my hand right now. Now what you want to do is open this lid right here on this end right here. It's not too hard. Just go ahead and just gently pull it up. You can see that's a bulb right there. Now I can feel that it's definitely a little hot, so I'm gonna wait a couple minutes and wait for it to cool down, and I'll take it out. Okay, now that this is a little bit more cooled, you can just go ahead and yank this piece down. This piece right here is bendable, so don't worry about it. It can bend as far back as this, so don't worry about breaking it. Now that it's bent back, go ahead and pull it out, just like that. Put in the new one. Okay, now we're ready to close the lid and just put it back into the car the way that we took it out. Alright, here we are back at the Fiat. Gonna plug this guy in right now. And right away you see that it lights up a nice bright white. No more yellow. Get this in there and voila. Sorry about the focus, guys. Try to make it as clear as possible. There you go. You can see that nice white light now. Makes a big difference in the dark car with or the car with the black interior. And since there's only one light and two lights up front, this white light comes in handy compared to that yellow that we had. Thanks for watching.